Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fatima Razi and welcome to my course. I'm going to be teaching you content writing, and the reason that I can teach you content writing is because I've been doing it for almost more than 15 years. Every writer has a voice, and this voice is everyone's unique style and tone. There are people out there who are basically called subject matter experts. They don't necessarily have to be people on the outside. You yourself can also be a subject matter expert, and I will tell you exactly how to go about it. When we talk about SEO strategy and how to write content, we no longer talk about just putting in keywords or just using keywords to define searches. We talk about cluster strategy. I'm going to try to show you both sides of the coin so you are in a better position to understand if you want to make this a full-time career for yourself. There is always work out there. You just have to look for it. The thing about this course is that I want you to learn at your own pace, which means that if you forget something or if you don't understand something, I want you to be able to go back and to be able to catch up on whatever it is that you've missed.